and bring you some gifts coming both from the President and from the Judith Obina Foundation, which is a foundation supposed to be keeping the peace. Giving the Quran is keeping the peace. Keeping the work of Allah is keeping the peace. So we thought we should come and share with you, with brothers and sisters, and be together, and also plan on how we are going to be together during the holy month of Ramadan.
Projects. You hear Emyooga, you hear this, you hear that. I think we also tried, like any other Ugandans, to write and ask. But always those paperwork and there. Yes, for one case. But you see the result in other areas. So this time, not on behalf of the entire community here, but if they accept, I will speak on their behalf. We are very grateful that you took your own time and see that let us include these brothers and sisters in this very, very nice project. Let us leave alone these short-term things like Ramadan, where maybe you give us food, eat, and then at the end we suspend it somewhere. Maybe Quran, we are very grateful because for us Muslims, it's already a condition. They know that when you show a Muslim Quran like this, he or she either cools down, because that is the only weapon which sometimes, if a Muslim becomes furious, they use it, and then the Muslims start to adore whatever. Thank you very much. Even this project of what here, PDF, they are taken to the churches, but we don't have them here. But in churches, they are real. I can remember during the former Kadi, our brother has been elevated now to Ram, regional ward of Mufti, assistant to Mufti. A very good project was brought for the whole denominations, whereby Church of Uganda benefited. They got tractor. The Catholic fraternity got tractors and everything. But when it was died away naturally. I am not accusing anyone for that, but I'm only informing you that those things they have been actually common practice. I don't know whether it's attitude or because we are minority. That's why maybe one day we'll even ask for affirmative because you are near the president.
The youth in Islam have a challenge. I want to re-echo what Haj said, Sheikh said, because it is from the young people that we see our future. Our youth have been abandoned in so many aspects. We have the skilling center that has been built in Gulu. If I go there now, you may not even find a single Muslim because of the segregation. And this stands back to our history. I think Islam came and there was no opportunity for secular education that was given to us. And that sort of pushed us aside. That is why when such things come, people in offices looks at who is my relative who should go here. So some of us are not considered. I have argued about this in the mayor's office several times. But sometimes I look at a problem. When I go, that is how I'm called. Because I talk. We need to consider not only boys, girls. We have a number of students that have failed in education to continue achieving what they want because of finances. We have very many government programs, as you said. We have the Emyooga, we have the PDM, and many others, parish, whatever you call it. They are all here. But ask me how many Muslims got it. If you are to get as a Muslim, maybe you have to align yourself with our Christian brothers. That is how you survive and get it. But if you go purely Muslim, we wrote a number of papers.
That is why it was my personal initiative to say, I would like to come and see the brothers of Islam fraternity, because I want to meet with them. I want to understand their challenges. I want to understand the way we can work together. I want to understand the way we can bridge the gaps. About being connected to the Muslim people, we are very connected. We are close. So me, that's why I have that attachment also, of knowing that actually there's no difference between a Muslim and a Christian. So I believe that this meeting of today is going to start a new chapter in the way that we are going to move things without discrimination of religion, so that we can all come together and we build this Acholi. We built the place where there was war for 2 decades.